Saris was a Palestinian Arab village that was depopulated during the major offensive launched by the Haganah on 6 April 1948, called Operation Nachshon, and launched before the British had left Palestine. Its objective was to capture villages between Jerusalem and the coastal plain. History. Jaqat al-Hamawi noted about Saris in the 1220s that it was a village of the district round Jerusalem. It lies halfway between Jerusalem and Ramla and 4 hours from either place. Ottoman era. During Ottoman rule in Palestine in 1596, Saris was a village in the Nahiyah of Jerusalem under the Liwa of Jerusalem, and it had a population of 292. The villages paid taxes on a number of crops, including wheat, barley, olives, fruit and carob, as well as on goats, beehives and vineyards. In 1863, the French explorer Victor Guérin found Saris to have an apparently ancient water well, while the houses looked dilapidated. An Ottoman village list of about 1870 counted 57 houses under population of 169. Though the population count included only men. In 1883, the Palestine Exploration Fund's survey of Western Palestine described Saris as being located on top of a hill, with olive trees growing below the village. British Mandate era. In the 1922 census of Palestine conducted by the British Mandate authorities, Saris had a population 373, all Muslims, increasing in the 1931 census to 470, still all Muslims, in 114 houses. In 1945 the population of Saris was 560, all Muslims, and it had 10,699 dunams of land according to an official land and population survey. 366 dunams were plantations and irrigable land, 3,677 for cereals, while 10 dunams were built-up land. 1948 and after. On the 13th of April, before the village was attacked, Israel Galilee wrote to Joseph Weitz of the JNF asking for a settlement to be established at Saris as soon as possible. The Scotsman, Saturday the 17th of April 1948, reported Jews destroyed a mosque, village school, and 25 houses, killing 3 women in an attack on the Arab village of Saris early today. There were about 500 attackers. The New York Times carried the same report and gave the number of Arab dead as 7. A Haganah statement is quoted as saying that the battalion stayed in the village for about 5 hours, blowing up 25 buildings and burning others. The village of Shorsh was established 1 kilometer southwest of the remains of Saris in 1948. Shoeva was set up 0.5 kilometers northeast of the site in 1950. Both are on village land. The Palestinian historian Walid Khalidi described the village land in 1992. The site is covered with stone rubble. Iron bars protrude from the collapsed roofs. There are many open wells and several caves with arched roofs. A large number of trees, including cypress, fig, and almond trees, grow on the site. An abandoned grove of almond trees is located on the eastern side. In the middle of the slope are the remains of an artificial pool. The village cemetery, surrounded by trees, is located southwest of the site. It contains several large tombs, one of which is surrounded by a small, roofless enclosure. An almond tree grows in the center. The Shorsh Forest, named after the Israeli settlement, was established by the youth of the Jewish National Fund in Johannesburg, South Africa. Another forest in the area, dedicated to several notable Jews, have been planted under the auspices of the Center for European Jewry. Bibliography